Hey, what's up? Come meet me. I'm just 5 north.
Jesse? I thought you said you were 5 north.
Hi, I'm Julia Stevens.
And I'm Jessie Merchant.
And we're going to talk about units.
Learning about unit analysis involves
Knowing what a unit is
and how to convert it.
The units of a quantity describe what is being measured or counted. You can't add apples and oranges, so unit conversions are crucial in mathematics.
There are two main systems for units:
English and metric. Common units in the English system for distance are inches, feet, yards, and miles. For volume, teaspoon and tablespoon, fluid ounces, cups, pints, and gallons. For weight, ounces and pounds. For speed, miles per hour, and for temperature, degrees Fahrenheit. Important units for the metric system are for distance, millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. For weight, milligrams, grams, kilograms. For volume, milliliters, liters. For temperature, degrees Celsius, and for speed, meters per second.
There are also universal measurements which are relevant for both the English and the metric systems. These include seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, decades, centuries, and millenniums.
While doing this conversion, we're trying to find out how many miles are in 5 meters. So we start with 5 meters, and we set up a fraction with meters in the denominator so that we can cancel out the units. And then we want to know how many miles are in those meters, so in 1 meter. And the amount of miles in 1 meter is 0.00062. And now for our final answer, we're multiplying across, so 5 times this amount of miles is 0.0031, and that is the amount of miles in 1 meter. So this many miles. There is in fact an easier way to do this conversion. We could have done 5 meters times the fraction of 1 mile over 1609 meters, which gave us the same answer, being 0.0031 miles.
An example of unit conversion with weight would be 48 pounds to kilograms. If I know that I have 48 pounds, I'm going to set up my equation so that pounds is on the bottom again, just as Julia showed us before, so that these can cancel out. And I know that I'm going to kilograms, so I'm going to write that up top. And now I know that in 1 pound, there are 0.4536 kilograms, because kilograms are bigger than pounds. So then I'm going to go ahead and multiply 48 by 0.4536, and I'm going to get 21.7728, which is 21.8 kilograms. Another way that I could do this would be to write 48 pounds times 1 kilogram over 2.205 pounds, and the units are still going to cancel. So in that case, I have 21.76, which is the same as 21.8 kilograms. For a trickier problem, we're going to deal with volume, and in this one we're going to take 8 gallons and find out how many millimeters are in those 8 gallons. And what's difficult about this is that we're not going to go straight from gallons to milliliters. We're going to go from gallons to liters to milliliters. So for this, we're going to say 8 gallons times gallons and then liters up top. And so we know that in 1 gallon there are 3.79 liters. And then again, these units will cancel. And we want to set it up so that liters cancels again down here. So we're going to add liters in the denominator. And we know that in 1 liter, there are 1,000, or 10 to the 3 milliliters. And so now we're going to go ahead and multiply this. And because these units cancel as well, we know that it's going to end in milliliters. And our answer is going to be 30,320 milliliters.
Thank you for watching.
And we hope you learned a little something about units and unit conversion.